All right, in this video, we're going over solving problems, problem solving with percents. All right. Now, as you know, a percent, like say 25%, all right, we know in a decimal form that's 0.25, and in a fractional form that's 25 out of 100. Okay? So it's basically, it's percent over 100. All right, 25% over 100. So when you're dealing with problems with percents, as long as you remember is over of equals percent over 100. If you remember this, you can do any problem with a percent. For example, what number is 30% of 70? Okay, what number is 30% of 70? Well, we don't know the is. What number is? We don't know the is, that's our x, of 70 equals 30% over 100. So, now we have it set up. Now you cross multiply. 100x equals 30 times 70 is what? 2100. Divide off 100. Okay. So x is 21. So 21 is 30% of 70. All right? And this will work with anything. So like what? Or let's say 15 is, let's make this one easy, 25% of what? Okay? So 15 is the is. So it's going to be 15 over of what? Well, we don't have the of, and we have 25 over 100. So 25x equals 1500. Divide 25, divide 25. So x equals 1500 divided by 25. Okay? So, as long as you remember the is over of, you'll be able to do any of these. Okay? As long as you remember the is, well, I guess I should write down what that is. Okay? As long as you remember is over of equals percent over 100. So, 15 is. So that means 15 is the is. What is? Well, this is your percent. So that goes percent over 100. Of what? Well, we don't have the of, so that's where your variable goes. As long as you remember is over of equals percent over 100, you'll be able to do all of these, no problem. Okay? Now, there is one thing I do want to mention, though. I'm going to write this back down, though. All right, say we want to find the markup of something. Like, for instance, we have an item and the cost is $45. The markup is 55%. What is the selling price? Okay. Well, we need the is. We don't have the is. It says the cost of an item is $45. And the markup rate is 55%. Okay, what is the selling price? All right, what is the selling price? Well, do we know the is? We don't know the is because the cost of an item is 45. Well, the cost of, that's the 45. That is the of. Yes, I realize it looks just a slight different, but you got to remember this is the of because the markup price, okay, is 55%. What is the selling? So we want the selling price. Okay, we have the of. That's the 45. The selling price is going to be the is. The markup is 55%. Now, since you're marking it up, that means you're paying 155% of the cost of the item to get the selling price. All right? Because remember, when you mark it up 55%, you're including the cost plus an additional 55%. So now our percentage here is going to need to be 155. okay? Because, like I said, you're including the original cost, which is 100%, then you're adding 55% to that. So 155%. Still works the same exact way, though. 100x equals 155 times 45. 155 times 45 is, so we have 100x equals 6975. Divide by 100. So x equals 69.75. Right? So the markup, that's money. So the markup is going to be almost $70 because we have a 55% markup. So that's 155. Okay, because remember, it's the original price plus an additional 50. So it's 100% of the cost plus an additional 55%. So that's why this is 155. Okay? But now with percents, like I said earlier, as long as you remember is over of equals percent over 100, you can do them all. All right? That's really all there is to do with percents. All right? That's really all there is to do with percents. Okay? So, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. You can watch it as many times as you need to. Make sure when you come to class tomorrow, you're ready to work some problems. See you tomorrow.